making drawings. Hello everyone! Today, we're going to draw and color a cute puppy. I start to draw his eyes, his nose, and his mouth with his tongue out. Then I draw his head with his 2 ears. Peekaboo! Hello! Now I draw your body. Oh, you have a nice collar. Thanks. Oh, sweetie, why are you crying?
Because I'm not colorful.
Don't worry, I'm going to color you right away.
Yeah, okay.
Close your eyes, please. I color them red. I use light red for your tongue. Your ears are going to be orange. Wow, you're going to be a rainbow doggy. I use yellow on your back. For your collar, I use green. Purple. And pink. This patch is going to be blue. How about brown for the rest of your furry body?
Awesome! I'm so colorful now.
Thanks! Come here! You are so cute! I love you, doggy! If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. See you! Bye-bye!
Hey, who turned off the light?